hours spent on the scroll. I love to see people who are like, oh, my ideal client is not on social media. Like, no, 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 like, no, like what? No, I don't, there's no point for me on social media. Like, I'm selling to these big enterprise clients. Oh, so you're saying that what? So why? There's some people who are so like complex and sophisticated that they don't open social media. So we can all agree that um, everyone is on social. But just to give you guys some context, if you guys look up how the average time spent by a human on their phone, it equals 6 hours a day, 5 to 6 hours per day. Okay. And what's interesting is that 60% of it is spent scrolling. And when I say humans, I mean 3 billion plus users are on socials. And it doesn't matter if it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or X, or whatever you want to call it. But there are 3 billion plus monthly active users of social platforms that spend 5 to 6 hours a day scrolling. No, 5 to 6 hours a day on their phone, and most of it is spent scrolling. So that means that, imagine this, guys. I want to help you guys understand what's happening here. If you are Facebook, you're Mark Zuckerberg, and you have 3 billion people spending 5 to 6 hours a day on your platform or TikTok. What is the number one constraint of your business to retaining 3 billion people for 30 more minutes on your platform? Someone want to answer it? What do you think is the number one bottleneck to Mark's ability to have more people spend more hours on their platform? Someone said engagement, watch time, content. And that's exactly it. So what has happened is these platforms, number one incentive is to keep people scrolling. Okay. But they can't manufacture themselves enough content to have 3 billion people happy and staying on the platforms. So what they've done is they've made the algo be meritocratic. Post something good. If it's good, we'll share it. We'll share it for free because we simply don't have enough inventory of content to satisfy 3 billion people. So here's what the 1% has understood. The Hormozis of the world, the Ryan Serhant of the world, the Grant Cardones of the world, the whoever of the world who's actually making any dollar online is they've understood that, okay, if the number one incentive of these platforms is keep me on the platform and that they need content to stick to the platform, right? Then the way that I get more attention is not like the traditional sense of like spend more on ads. This is how people think that like, oh, you want to grow? Oh, spend more on ads. I see those reels every day. People are like, spend more on ads. Not really. You're not aligned with the incentives of the platform from spending more money on ads because an ad, nobody wants to see an ad. People want to be entertained. People want value. So anytime you are running ads, you're actually paying for the same attention that you could be acquiring for free. So the reason why someone like Hormozi spends, posts like 3 times a day, he's on YouTube. He has like another YouTube channel where he's like doing, if you guys go, if we go look at more Hormozi, right, this new channel, and if you look at how often he posts, 35 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 16 hours ago, 17 hours ago, 20 hours ago, 23 hours ago, one day ago, like posting like 4 or 5 pieces of somewhat mid long form content, and he's also flooding the scroll, is because he understands that it's now a function of volume makes you lucky to get free attention because your competition still thinks in terms of like, oh, I'm just going to create 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 ads and I'm going to put $100 a day and just going to get sales calls. Oh, okay, cool. Well, you can do that. But in a world where there's 3 billion people every day that are spending all this time on content or scrolling, and that the platforms need the content to serve these people, these billions of people, then I don't actually need to spend that much money on ads. I could just post 2, 3 times a day and let the algorithm do its job. Does it now make sense why everyone is posting 5, 10 times a day? That's a lot of work. I know. And that's the thing we're gonna be solving real quick. Um, but for me, so also the cool thing that you have to understand is that once you have pumped the algorithm and gotten the free attention, okay? So something like here. Um, Once you have people just visiting your profile, looking at content, um, something like this here, and you're just building up um, data on your profile, you can then simply launch a campaign on ads and just retarget everyone who has visited your profile. And that drops the cost of impressions to as close to cheap or to as, it makes it infinitely cheaper than having to buy the attention from what? Top of funnel. This is the whole game. Flood the algo, then retarget everybody um with your ads or do the conversions in the appointment setting.